Markets have fallen, and it may be a truth that market even fall, deplete even furthermore than this current point. So does that means that you should fear the market? Does that mean that you should regret over your investments? And does that mean that you should watch videos of YouTubers who are telling you that market have fallen, what to do now? Buy, sell, hold. What is the correct answer? What should you do? The answer is you should not fear the market. Answer is very much like when a chain smoker asks, I want to leave cigarette, brother. What should I do? Then the guy answers, simple, stop smoking the cigarette. Like that, the answer is stop fearing the market. You fear the market because you haven't understood the fact that market goes through various cycles. The falls and the rises keeps coming up. See why market has fallen. Various people gives many reasons. Among them, one is that market has fallen due to the gibble and glib and babble of Trump. The orange head, the duck, and as many as abusive words you can use for him, it sounds like it is less. Due to the reason of him only the market has fallen. That's what people say. And even if it's a truth, then you know that people say one thing extra with it. They say it's a thing which Trump does, but in the end Trump is pro markets. Market gives better return in the under Trump's presidency. And all, if we take factor in all the others various economic reasons too, due to which markets has fallen, then all is temporary. Doesn't matter how big the economic reason may be, it gets resolved after an economic fall. The fall is to reset, and it will. You do not have to do anything from your own will. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I am talking like I am in the markets from centuries, and I have experience of many falls, but I haven't. But still I can talk because
Oh my God.
I am just
Oh
talking.
my God.
Because why I can talk? What I have done is special that I can advise people don't fear. I don't know.
Oh my God.
But I know through the psychology that it's a human nature to fear. Human fears dark, and especially in their childhood, because in their childhood they don't know what's there in the dark. Once they do go to the dark, go through the dark, they see there was nothing scary, nothing unknown, nothing extra which they were fearing for. Then the fears of theirs gets ended. Same will happen with you and for me. For most of you, or at least for most of the peoples, not whom they are listening to me, but who have been participating in the markets. For them, at least they are fearing the markets, and for me, I am not. Why? Because to me, I can learn everything and anything from books, from other YouTubers. But the thing which was missing to me was bear market. From YouTuber to YouTuber, from books to books, there is a very clear warning about bull market and bear markets, how they come and go and people oftenly get trapped in it. And to me, for most of the times and periods, it was unknown how companies happens, what happens. It wasn't just stories that companies falls 80% and from again 80% to again 80%, peoples go bankrupt, their even underwear gets sold, and they do not have even anything to dry after bathing, they get so poor, and such kinds of dialogue I was hearing. So it had a empty space, like how a kids hear that don't go there, there's the dark, there may live a what's it called, ghost and such spirits, and it may eat you and such. But in real there is nothing. The kid is now going through the dark, is experiencing the dark and enjoying the darkness. You too should. For me, it's a festival. You too create a festival. My portfolio too is down 20% from the 0% mark. My whole portfolio is in red, but still I enjoy it because I know it's temporary, first of all, and second of all, I was fearing for that only, that what if I would not able to handle it, but I am able to. And it gives me a joy. It should to you too. When you accept the fears, the tensions and the depression, it too becomes of a joy. A kid who has not gotten even a mustache can tell you these big things, so you should know. Like how others say that market fall 80%. Among them, I am seeing most of the companies have fallen 60%. Only the 20% journey is left. I very happy. I see positive things even in negative. I very optimistic. And used to be the journey of the bear market is not much far from here. Only 20% more fall is left, which from the top I am talking, not from this current point. From the top, if you draw a line, then 20% more in most of the companies. Then we may see a turnaround. Now the point comes, what if you have bought wrong companies, bad companies? What to do? Now you have lost everything, you may be thinking. But yes, you have. Not everything, but somewhat percentage of your portfolio has been vanished now. You can't do anything except accept it and move on with it, move over it. Sell the bad companies if you think it's really bad, and buy good ones if you know any, and if you don't know any, then buy mutual funds. Easy. And if you fear really a lot, then do not do the markets, do the mutual funds. And I have heard from the secret person, from my intels, that people fears even the mutual funds falls. Is it true? If you, then you should not even do mutual funds. You should do PPF and FDs, gold bonds and house and REITs are for you, not the mutual funds, not the share market. It's so simple. Not much of a brain is to be used. And people will open other YouTubers' video. Even after watching this video, they may not be satisfied for the answer of why market has fallen and what to do now, because I haven't given any answer, because I don't know one. But thank you for sticking till here, watching till here, and if you have enjoyed, then you can check out these two videos and like, share, subscribe if you haven't.